Hello viewers, welcome to JSM. In previous class we completed ionic bond and conditions to form ionic bond. In this lecture we are going to discuss covalent bond. What is covalent bond? A bond formed between two atoms by mutual sharing of electrons is known as covalent bond. A bond formed between two atoms. A bond formed between two atoms by mutual sharing of electrons is known as a covalent bond. For example, in hydrogen chloride, hydrogen it is providing one electron, and chlorine it is also providing one electron. So now here it is a mutual sharing between hydrogen and chlorine. There is a formation of hydrogen chloride. So for example, another example is a chlorine molecule. So first chlorine atom, second chlorine atom. So first chlorine atom and second chlorine atom, these two are providing each one electron and sharing between these two chlorine atoms. Formation of chlorine molecule is taking place. A bond formed between two atoms. By sharing of two electrons, covalent bond. In atoms which are in covalent bond, whose electronegativity difference is zero, almost all zero, or it is very less. A covalent bond is formed between two atoms. In general, it is a non-metallic elements only. So this is the covalent bond. It is two types. Covalent bond is two types. It is a non-polar covalent bond and a polar covalent bond. First, non-polar covalent bond. A covalent bond formed between similar atoms. For example, chlorine, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, hydrogen. So these are examples of non-polar covalent bond. Okay, a covalent bond formed between similar atoms, known as a non-polar covalent bond. So what is non-polar covalent bond? For example, in hydrogen H2, hydrogen, first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, and first hydrogen is sharing one electron and second hydrogen is sharing second electron. So here covalent bond is formed. So now this is the bond pair. It is exactly located between two hydrogen atoms. So what is the meaning of this? Here the electronegativity difference of these two atoms almost all zero. So that's why this is the electron bonded pair exactly located between two atoms. So this is known as what? Non-polar. And polar covalent bond, a bond formed between two dissimilar atoms known as what? Polar covalent bond. For example, HF, HCl, HBr and HI. So these are examples of polar covalent bond. So what happening in polar covalent bond? For example, in hydrogen fluoride. So this is the hydrogen and this is the fluorine. These two are contributing each one electron and formation of covalent bond takes place. So now here it is what? Hydrogen fluorine, and this is the bond formed covalent bond, and we are denoting like this. So that means what? Whatever electron pair present between hydrogen and fluorine, hydrogen and fluorine, it is slightly moves toward or gets displaced towards fluorine. So here fluorine is highest electronegative element and this is hydrogen is less electronegative element. What is our electron pair or bonded pair present between these two atoms? So gets displaced towards fluorine. So this is known polarity. This is known as what? Polarity. So in general, hydrogen having less electronegative, fluorine has more electronegative. This is the bonded pair slightly moves towards fluorine. So this is nothing but what? Polarity. Okay, this is known as polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bond. Now let us discuss a coordinate covalent bond, or it is also known as a dative bond. What is coordinate covalent bond? A bond formed between two atoms. A bond formed between two atoms by unequal sharing of electrons. Unequal sharing of electrons known as a coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. So definition is a bond formed between two atoms by unequal sharing of electrons. Unequal sharing of electrons is known as coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. So unequal sharing of electrons. So general example between A and B, a coordinate covalent bond is formed. Generally it is denoted with what? Full headed arrow. So generally it is denoted with what? Arrow mark. So now here A, it is a donor and B is a acceptor. So now what is the difference between covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond is, in covalent bond whatever elements, whatever atoms or elements, they are giving electrons and they are equally sharing between two atoms. But whereas in case of coordinate covalent bond, whatever atoms involving in the coordinate covalent bond, one of the atom is contributing 2 electrons and these 2 electrons are equally shared between 2 electrons. That is the meaning of unequal sharing of electrons. So for example, A and B. So now A is donor. So A is having what? A pair of electrons and B is having vacant orbital. So now this is the pair is donated to B. So now between A and B a bond is formed. That bond is known as what? Coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. So that is the meaning of unequal sharing of electrons. What is unequal sharing? Whatever electron pair present between or bonded pair present between A and B, it is contributed by any one of the atom. In this particular example, A is contributing electron pair and that is the electron pair is equally shared between two atoms. That is the difference between coordinate covalent bond and covalent bond. In particular example, formation of ammonium molecule or ammonium ion, formation of ammonium ion, that is NH4 plus. For example, in ammonia we have what? One lone pair, and in H plus ion we have what? One vacant orbital. So now this is the electron pair donated to H plus ion. So now here formation of NH3 and here NH4 plus. So now this is the arrow mark indicates what? It is the coordinate covalent bond. And generally it is NH4 plus. So this is formation of ammonium ion.